Ed van Humbeck graduated from the University of Manitoba in 1964 with a degree in electrical engineering. Before starting Vansco in 1978, he worked for several companies and taught at Red River College.
Ed started Vansco in the basement of his home. He had landed a small job with a local tractor manufacturer at the time, Versatile Electronics, and he designed a turn signal flasher for them. And in fact, it's one of the products we still manufacture today, along with hundreds of other products. He had seen an opportunity develop in the marketplace. He saw that more and more companies were having a hard time keeping up with the technological advances that were happening at the time, and he decided that if he could be one of the experts that they needed, that he could really be successful in the marketplace. Vansco is a world leader in the design and manufacture of electronic systems and products for original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, basically in four distinct areas: bus, truck, construction, and agricultural equipment manufacturers. Dashboards or displays, controllers, switches, turn signal flashers, tire sensors. Growth of Vansco has been very exciting. You know, the idea that Ed took this business from his basement, and over the 20-25 years that he was actively involved as the senior leader of the company, the growth rate was in about the 30% per year range. Today we employ over 1,000 employees. We have locations in Canada, in the US, and in Europe. We serve a global customer base, and our sales are in the $200 million range. So really a remarkable story from someone starting out from such humble beginnings.
To me, that's kind of a storybook example of a typical Manitoba entrepreneur with some technical knowledge, but with an entrepreneurial bent and spirit to take it far beyond working in the basement.
Ed is a very unique individual, tremendous leadership skills, someone that is able to relate very easily with folks on the production floor as well as people in the boardroom. He's has a passion for what he does, and it's very contagious. People, want to go above and beyond the normal call of duty for Ed.
I've had the pleasure of having Ed personally accompany me on trade missions. He was just a joy to be around. He was very inquisitive, intuitive, and really a visionary.
What's really impressed us about Ed is his ability to change. As we started off as a very small company, and as we became mid-sized and large, it really took different leadership skills and styles, and Ed was able to make that change all the way along that journey. I think Ed just has a passion for the technology and the passion for people. He loves being around people. He loves to see people create and be innovative in solving problems. He has a quiet confidence about him, very unassuming, very much a gentleman. He never shied away from making very tough decisions, but at the same time he treated people with the utmost respect. He's been a pleasure to work for all these years.
Ed has given his time and expertise to many organizations, including the University of Manitoba's Faculty of Engineering, the Industrial Technology Centre, and the Vehicle Technology Centre of Manitoba. We are proud to welcome Ed van Humbeck to the Manitoba Manufacturers Hall of Fame.